Hey everybody, Scott here, the Poor Prepper. Today I'm going to do a review of a item that you don't think is going to be useful for prepping, but it is, because you're going to need to print papers. Print this web page, print that one, print this, print that. And you're going to want to get the best value for your ink. Now, I've had Canon, I've had HP, I've had Epsom, and Canon, the best printer I've ever had was way back about 20 years ago, the Bubble Jet 2000, Canon Bubble Jet 2000. They don't even make them anymore. You could get, for 35 bucks, you could get a ginormous black ink cartridge, and then you could use a syringe to refill it. It refilled 4, 5, 6 times, normally only 4 or 5 times, before it just died. But that little refilling, at 20 bucks, you could refill it 2, 3 times. So for a small amount of money, you could refill it and print a stupid amount of papers. But they don't make that anymore. What Canon did, the same thing HP did, they decided make printers with small cartridges, and they're not making money off the printer. They're making money off the ink cartridges. So what did I do? I got online and I investigated Canon, Epsom, HP, all of them, Brother, and I found the Epsom Workforce 3640. Great printer. This little baby for a standard ink cartridge will print 500 pages, where the HP will print 300, and Canon about 300. So that tells you Canon and HP, they're just not filling their ink cartridges worth a damn. They fill them partially. Epsom fills them all the way. So what did I do? I bought this. Then I decided to go one step farther. For $26 and basically $26.51, so I think it's $26.51 on Amazon, you can get 2 large black ink cartridges. This is a standard cartridge. See the difference? You get 1 yellow, 1 blue, 1 red, and 2 big black ink cartridges just for 26 bucks. Oh my God, yes. And that big black ink cartridge will print, oh my God, well over 1,000, if not as many as 1,500 pages. Depends on how many characters you have in the page. You know, depends on how many pictures, that type of thing. But it'll print a stupid large number of pages. Like right here, that's a ream of paper. I printed a ream of paper, and I'm still using the same cartridge. It's great. This is a great printer. The best thing is that the printhead nozzle, the ability to clean the printhead nozzles is real simple. I'm going to take the camera off and move it closer, so it's going to get jiggly for a second. And I'm going to be off the camera. Now, what you do, you hit a button. Now, this is not showing it very well. This is not showing it well at all, but you hit setup, maintenance, or you could hit ink levels. It'll tell you what your ink levels are. And let me see if turning this light off helps. Yeah, some. Depends on how I hit the thing. But you can look at the ink levels. You can maintenance, printhead nozzle check, printhead nozzle cleaning. Now if I only use black ink normally, so after a while the other ones start getting clogged up, so you do a printhead nozzle cleaning, the printhead cleaning, then you do a nozzle check. Oh my God, it works great. Now, when you want to replace the cartridges, wham, there they are. That's it. That's it. Now I'm going to put the camera back. That's it. This is the best printer I've ever seen. It works good. You get a real great quality of, I should say great, let me start over. The money you spend on ink is worth it because you're getting the best quality and quantity for your dollar. You know, HP and Canon, they charge you out the yin-yang for ink. This one, you don't have to. Now, this is a Workforce 3640. Also, it has scanner, which I've yet to use because before I bought it, I bought this scanner in Epsom. Oh well. So I used the one I bought before because then it just annoyed me to not use the one I paid for before. Spent all that money on. Now, Epsom has come up with the next generation of printer. It's a printer where instead of buying cartridges, you're just buying a bottle of ink and pouring it into a container that's part of the printer itself. That is the next generation of printing at home, where no more cartridges, you just buy the ink, pour the ink in, bam, you're cool. Epsom created it first, and that Epsom right now is stupid expensive. Give it 5, maybe 10 years, it's going to get real affordable for everybody, and then everybody can get good printing at a good price. So if you got any questions, let me know. This sucker will print quick. I can print, I don't even know how many pages. I would estimate 10 to 20 pages a minute on it, easy. Shit, maybe even more. I never actually timed it to find out. I'm sure it's on the Epsom website how many pages it'll print, but I print a lot of pages fast as all get up. This is a great printer. You want a good printer, stay away from Canon, stay away from Brother, stay away from HP, go with Epsom. So, ladies and gentlemen, you got any questions, please leave a comment or email the poorprepper13@gmail.com. Have a good night.